Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy Adamas. I'm a full-time filmmaker and I love film photography. Before we get into the episode, I just want to let you know that this is actually going to be a two-parter. It was when I was editing the video, I noticed that we were getting close to 10 minutes. And while it didn't feel like a long video, I want to keep them around 5 minutes if I can help it. So for this part, we actually ended up in Schaumburg, and it's this little playground. Although we weren't in the playground, which is attached to this giant park. You'll see what I'm talking about. It was an overcast day, so some of the images, you know, it's just not blue skies like you'll get on Portra typically. So there's that, but some of the pictures I was really happy with, and let me know what you think. All right, enough of this, on with the show. So we're going to be shooting on Portra 160 today, and I've shot plenty on Portra 400, and I think that I can see why people love it. I'm a firm believer you have to try it out to really know if you're going to like it. So we'll see how this first roll comes. So we ended up, where is this?
Vulcaning Heritage Farm.
Vulcaning Heritage Farm. I only had one exposure left, so I got one of a cow. And it sounds silly, but I feel like we can spend a whole roll in this area. There's so much cool stuff here. It looks like it dates back to the either, I don't know, Civil War or Revolutionary War, and it's just been preserved. Stay tuned, we'll probably come back with the whole family and shoot a whole roll here. hate to see it, guys. I'll fill you in on that next week. But as far as for this episode, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I love taking pictures, obviously. So my favorite picture is probably the wagon. I would hang that one up in my house. Oh, wait. Also, I like the one of the pond, and you actually see the reflection and how green it was. Man, that was awesome. That goes to show you, like, you just never know with film. So I didn't expect that one to be awesome, but it was. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This helps me out so much, guys. It helps grow the channel, helps get the video out there more so people actually can see the video. Leave a comment, let me know what you want to see next. I really appreciate you guys. Take care.